Welcome. Today I am with Xiaomi 11T Pro and I will show you how we can customize always in display. So at the first, let's enter for the settings, open always in display. At the first we can change display items. We can go for the 10 seconds after tapping, always, or set as a schedule. You can also turn it off when the battery saver is turned on. That's my favorite setup to get it always. Below we can change themes. We got 3 themes that we already use. We can also pick signature, clocks, or pick the default background. I would like to go with this one. In this place we can change the color text, enable or disable notifications on the battery status, and click apply to confirm. As you can see, there it is. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.